Hi guys, today we're going to be playing with my dog Hocus. Let's get into it. Alright Hocus, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Let me. Hey! Hey! Hocus, you see she's very strong, guys. Yeah! 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 I'm winning! I won! Yeah, I said it! I declare my victory! 3, 2, 1. Fetch! Catch it! Oh, you're so close. Let me grab that. We think she's a Dutch Shepherd. We don't know. Hey! Yeah. Hey! I'm winning! I'm declaring victory! Buddock! Can you help? Buddock! Buddock! Hocus! Yeah! You're a strong little piece of crap. See here? I'm doing this tactic with her. Right now, we can't let her out that because that would end up with her getting pregnant. We got 2 male dogs living right next to us. So yeah, Hocus! I'm trying to burn out her energy. Yeah! Let me throw it! Let me throw it! Oh. Hey, how about this toy? How about this toy? How about this? Girl! Ah! Hocus. What's she doing now? Is she digging that hole again? Huey! He's scared on camera all the time. Where'd you drop the ball? Where'd you drop the ball? Where did you drop the ball? There it is. There it is. Holy cow, it's windy. Like it's windy as right now. Oh, guys, just so you know, I can't cuss. That's why I didn't say that. Hocus! 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 3-point right now. All right. Yeah. Take it out his neck. He gonna need that in raw. Keep it though. 1, 2, 3. And for you, he's the raw. What the fuck? So much scope. I'm about to. Hey. Ah! She's pretty vicious. Why are my dogs digging holes? sneaky. And get the ball. And fake throw. And then real throw. Rah! See right now, I put my elbow on the ball. Now you put your foot on the ball. This will disable the kill stick. No, I'm kidding, it won't. It will still be enabled. I'm playing with her. I'm playing with her.
We're leaving.
Oh.